How to delete your Twitter account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Twitter account permanently. So to do that, first of all, open up the Twitter application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, your home page will look somewhat like this, where on the top left corner of your screen you can see your profile icon. Simply tap on it. After that, scroll down and then tap on the option Settings and Support. Again, scroll down and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now you'll be taken to your Twitter settings, where you'll have to tap on the first option, which is your account. Now if you look closely, you won't find the option Delete Account, so you'll have to go through Deactivate Account and then simply tap on the option Deactivate. Now you may be wondering why I'm deactivating my account. So if you look closely, you can see that first of all you'll have to deactivate your account, and if you don't reactivate your account within 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So that is the only way on how you can delete your Twitter account permanently. All you have to do is deactivate your account and then not reactivate it for the next 30 days. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.